Hi everyone, if you're having trouble uploading stories on Instagram, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Sometimes the Instagram servers are down, causing the issue. Then open the web browser and search Down Detector Instagram. Click the first link and check if the Instagram is having issues. If the site is down, you'll need to wait until the Instagram fixes it. Next, check the mobile data usage settings. Open the Instagram app, tap the profile icon, then tap the three horizontal lines, select the settings and privacy. Then scroll down to media quality. Turn off the data saver or use less mobile data. Now try uploading your story again. Then, if your story has too many stickers or GIFs or music, it might be too large to upload. Try posting an image or a video instead. Make sure that it's simple. Then open the Instagram, tap your story, and select a photo with a fewer effects. The another option to fix the issue is to uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Tap and hold the Instagram app icon, select the remove app, then you can delete app and confirm. Then go to App Store and search for Instagram and reinstall it again. Open the app, then log in and try uploading your story again. Your story should upload now. If none of these steps work, restart your phone and try again. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.